How to buy and sell carbon credits. Carbon credit trading is a market-based mechanism that helps companies manage their greenhouse gas emissions. Companies that emit less than their allowed limit generate surplus carbon credits, which they can sell. Companies with higher emissions can purchase these credits to meet regulatory or voluntary targets. This approach provides flexibility while encouraging overall emission reduction at the lowest possible cost. What are carbon credits? Carbon credits are tradable permits that allow an organization to emit a specific amount of carbon dioxide or equivalent greenhouse gases. Regulators limit the total number of credits available, which creates scarcity and motivates industries to reduce emissions and transition toward cleaner and more sustainable practices. Meaning of a carbon credit. One carbon credit represents the reduction, avoidance, or removal of 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide or its equivalent. These credits are issued only after emission reductions are properly measured, verified by independent agencies, and approved by authorized bodies, ensuring trust and credibility in the carbon market. Why carbon credits are needed? Industries and businesses generate significant greenhouse gas emissions through their operations. Carbon credits help control these emissions by setting measurable limits and creating accountability. At the same time, they encourage investment in clean technologies and sustainable practices, supporting environmental goals without restricting economic growth. How carbon credits are generated. Carbon credits are generated through projects that reduce or absorb greenhouse gas emissions. Typical examples include renewable energy projects such as solar and wind power, as well as afforestation and reforestation initiatives that enhance carbon absorption from the atmosphere. Carbon credit trading and project types. Additional carbon credits are generated through waste-to-energy and biogas projects that convert waste into usable energy, along with energy efficiency improvements in industrial processes. Once issued, these credits can be traded in carbon markets, creating financial incentives for companies to adopt sustainable and low-carbon solutions. Welcome to MindSync. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, legal and advisory services. We help in providing all kinds of certificates and registrations. Carbon Credit Trading, Indian Carbon Market, ICM. The Indian Carbon Market, or ICM, is a government-backed framework designed to regulate and reduce greenhouse gas emissions across sectors. Under this mechanism, companies that emit less than their prescribed limits can sell surplus carbon credits, while companies exceeding limits must purchase credits. Let us now understand the complete carbon credit trading procedure under ICM, step by step. Step 1: ICM registration. The first step in carbon credit trading is registration under the Indian Carbon Market. Companies must enroll on the ICM platform, where their emission data is measured using approved methodologies and verified by authorized agencies. This ensures that the data used for credit allocation is accurate, transparent, and reliable. Step 2: Exchange registration. After ICM registration, companies are required to open a trading account with an approved power exchange such as IEX or PXIL. This involves submission of KYC documents, bank account details, and authorized signatory information. Exchange registration enables participation in carbon credit buying and selling. Step 3: Credit position assessment. At this stage, the company evaluates its carbon credit position. It determines whether it has surplus credits available for sale or a deficit that needs to be covered through purchase. This assessment helps the company plan its trading activities and actions. Step 4: Order placement. Once the credit position is clear, the company places buy or sell orders on the exchange platform.
Each order specifies the quantity of carbon credits and the desired price. This process is similar to trading in conventional financial or commodity markets. Step 5. Price discovery. Market-based price formation. The exchange facilitates price discovery by matching buy and sell orders based on demand and supply. This transparent mechanism ensures that carbon credit prices are determined fairly and reflect prevailing market conditions. Step 6. Trade execution. Execution of carbon credit trades. When buy and sell orders are successfully matched, the trade is executed automatically on the exchange platform. At this point, the transaction is confirmed, and both parties are legally bound by the trade terms. Step 7. Settlement. Payment and credit transfer. Following trade execution, settlement takes place through the exchange mechanism. The buyer makes payment, the seller receives funds, and the carbon credits are transferred to the buyer's trading account in a secure and systematic manner. Step 8. Compliance use. Using credits for regulatory compliance. The buyer uses the acquired carbon credits to meet regulatory emission reduction targets. These credits are submitted to the relevant authorities as proof of compliance with prescribed emission norms under the ICM framework. Step 9. Record keeping and monitoring. Monitoring and market integrity. In the final step, all transactions are recorded and maintained in official systems. Regulatory authorities continuously monitor trading activities to ensure transparency, compliance, and the overall integrity of the Indian carbon market. How MindSync can help you. MindSync, your partner in carbon markets. MindSync provides end-to-end support for organizations participating in the Indian carbon market. We assist with ICM registration, emission assessment, and documentation using approved methodologies. Our team supports exchange registration, trading strategy development, and compliance planning. We also help identify eligible carbon credit generation projects, manage verification and reporting requirements, and ensure smooth regulatory compliance.